I'm Alinna, born in Wenzhou, popularized for commercial selling in the flow. Wenzhou is known for many family businesses. Although I'm not from a business family, it made me to choose study role. It was my major in university to earn and reach the highest social status in my future. In this period, I was afraid of knowledge on me with politics. So my university studies began to have a turning point towards foreign trade development. And that is how my life became challenging and filled with passion. And I still believe that my life is full of those all. I started my foreign trade career in 2006, right after my graduation. And the beginning was not as easy as it seemed. Everything starts from 0 to 1. Lack of resources made me put some more effort and make it daily routine to work overtime each day. But what is important here is that I had a passion for my career, and it never failed to motivate me daily. I was always happy every time I got off from work, and I always felt like a successor. In 2008, I got married and moved from Hangzhou to Ningbo. Ningbo is the place where I had my turning point for my career. At that time, my baby was about to deliver, and at the same time, Colombia guests arrived at the Hangzhou factory. They talked to me by phone, and I knew those issues were manageable by the phone. But there was an innocence with myself that forced me to meet those customers. So I did it. I drove to Hangzhou that night to talk with my customers without any second thought. In this way, the baby has started. My clients made me moved by the professionalism I showed here. They brought me a message during my confinement period stating that they needed to start their own growing company in China, and they needed my help to find domestic suppliers and the quality control. They valued my professionalism and integrity, and they needed to make me their partner. That is how I got my value and results from my hard work and dedication. Spreading from customer to boss, the purchased products of my business are still in my familiar field. Finding high-quality suppliers and inspecting goods is not that much a problem. Once the company of customers begins to expand, there will be more and more purchase tasks, and the area involved with procurement can also increase. The team of domestic procurement is also growing accordingly. As long as the customers have a good demand, we will start looking upon supply chains across the country. We will find the best and most cost-effective supply from the supplying source. Our business is creating products webbed with the highest competitiveness abroad, which prove the value of our hardworking domestic team with their dedication. Since 2011, our company has shifted from halogen-7 lamp to LED field. We always wanted to find a cost-effective company within our area. Still, the unfair market competition made us realize that the purchasing of LEDs has to be returned to the source of supplying in each accessory. Then how can we find the best suppliers with reliable and competitive prices? Opportunities are available for the hard workers, and if you are ready to face anything, those are welcoming you at any time. In the first phase of our LED field entrance to purchase, a foreign friend needed our help to inspect goods in an LED factory. The opportunity was welcomed happily, and we went to see the factory. A breakthrough can be seen from this factory and it helped us establishing our own supply chain. And gradually, they became our first supply chain for the LED. While the domestic and foreign business are blooming, our clients' home country experienced a huge financial crisis. Inside the crisis, customers decreased the foreign imports until every import is stopped completely. The sourcing career may have ended up there, but everything comes with a challenge for sure. Opportunities and challenges are always served from the same plate, and the challenges came with an opportunity. There was no time to be sad and cry. I managed to use every opportunity left with me. Since I was very familiar with the export business, I didn't hesitate to do it again. And I started a career in LED. The first thing we need was to sell channels. So the China Canton Fair was a massive opportunity for it. I was in a time when I had the time on setting up for the Canton Fair. If I miss the chance, I will have to wait more than half a year. We need to catch every opportunity we have. When I was anxious about this matter, a supplier who purchased from me knew that I was trying to switch to the LED industry, and he knew my need to participate in the exhibition. So luckily, he contacted me and allowed me to step into the booth and put my exhibits in there. This made so many folks for me and created an excellent mood. My passion for work, sounding less, along with my high heels, placed a memorable role at the Canton Fair. In this way, the factory at Canton Fair. And then some of the orders also began to change. So that is where the LED dream began. It will surely improve the quality of the products. And through that, it can create more commercial value for our customers. Making a product, it will never be the entire solution for a customer's need. We strongly believe that our product has to be a one-stop solution to provide all solutions. There is more to go, and a big path for success is waiting for me. I can see so many excellent companies at home and abroad who work in front of us. Along with my team, I hope to stand as a giant to look bigger, try our best, and do better to get better. We don't follow the trends, and we make sure to be the trend. What you are dreaming of will be things we think about. So welcome you all and make it a pleasure